Hey my children. Listen up. You versus the snooze button, and guess what? You're getting owned every single day. You've tried all the tricks, right? Put the alarm across the room. You just zombie walk over and hit snooze. Chug water before bed. Now you just wake up to pee and crash again. It's a total mess. Here's the real deal. In the morning, your smart brain is still offline. The only part working is that lazy lizard brain, it just wants cozy and comfy. And your bed? Super comfy. So stop fighting. You gotta trick that lazy brain. Give it a job so easy it doesn't even know it's being played. Here's how. Tonight, grab a sticky note. Write something stupid easy like, just sit up. Slap it where you'll see it. When that alarm blasts, don't think, I gotta get up. Just look at the note. Your brain will go, sit up. That's it. Yeah, I can do that. Keep it stupid simple. Feet on floor. One water sip. Open window. So easy you can't fail. I tested it. Day 1, sat up. Day 2, stood up. Day 3, making coffee. My lazy brain didn't even notice. Your turn. Comment your mission for tomorrow. Smash that like button and follow for more hacks that don't suck. Let's win this war against the bed.